Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of this drying rack that I just got done putting together. I actually just picked it up from Amazon, and I want to give you some of my thoughts after first assembling this. First off, let me give you a sense of size or height. I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is probably, I want to say 5.5, almost 6 foot tall itself. The top of these, I want to say the top of these racks here are probably close to that 6 foot mark. In terms of setup, all of these are all separate pieces. It took me, I want to say, about 30 minutes, maybe 45 to put the whole thing together. The instructions were fairly straightforward. It didn't take too long to put together, but I did actually need a Phillips head screwdriver to kind of mount some of the top stuff up here. There are some screws required, but they don't give you the Phillips head screwdriver. In terms of how it's built, all of these crossbars are metal, and then all the frame over here is plastic, but the side here is metal as well. In terms of functionality, these shelves are almost like shelves. They come out, and then they come up, and you actually push them in. It's hard to do with one hand, but basically you can come up here, push it in. Well, again, trying to do it with one hand, but basically push that in. If you want, you can actually have these all come out almost like shelves. And then up top here, you can actually flip these out, hang longer garments off of these to let them dry. And the whole thing is conveniently on wheels. So if you want to kind of wheel this around your laundry room, you absolutely can. It's funny, I put this together, and my wife was like, well, I don't think I'm ever going to need another drying rack again, because I don't think I'm going to be able to fill this, because there's just a lot of slots to put stuff on. And again, because the shelves kind of like, they fold down, this actually stores very, very easy, and again, it allows the clothes to dry. So overall, happy with the purchase, and I think you might be too. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.